How's it going, YouTube? So I got a new trailer off of Facebook Marketplace, and this trailer sits about waist level, and it cannot be pulled by that. It's only hooked up to that because it was being moved in my driveway. But Owen needs an oil change, and this trailer will tilt. So we're going to go ahead and tilt this trailer. I already pulled out the pin, so it should just be pick up. There we go. So what we're going to try to do is have Owen pull up onto this trailer and do an oil change on his car. Now, before we get to that, I bought this trailer with no title off Facebook Marketplace for $400. Looks like it has maybe semi-axles that were cut and welded in the center. It's just running single, but these hubs look like they're set up for dolly wheels, which is why I was thinking semi, and that was what the previous guy said. It's got a ton of leaf springs in there. All the supports for this are 7-inch I-beam, 42.9 pounds per linear foot. Now let's kind of take a look at this. 7-inch I-beam, 7-inch I-beam. All down this is 7-inch, 7-inch, and all these is, once again, 7-inch, and all these supports. When I calculated it out, over 4,000 pounds just in I-beam, not including what we believe to be 3/8 inch plate, whatever the metal is here, the axles, the wheels, the little grippy pieces. We're assuming that this is supposed to be roughly, or that it is roughly a 5,000 pound trailer. We'll be cleaning it up, we'll be wiring it, maybe sandblasting and painting, and then getting a homemade title for it. So we'll file saying this is a homemade trailer, which it is. It is not a production trailer. Don't know what it's rated for, but I'd like a title so I can use it. It was pulled by a Ram 1500, and that had problems pulling it empty. So we're hoping the 2500 can pull it, and if not, well, we're in the works to get some big trucks that can pull this. Thoughts are maybe, you know, once again, oil changes like we'll do, dozers, skid steers, stuff like that. Put a big old winch somewhere up here, probably a 15,000 pound, 20,000 pound winch to be able to pull stuff up that's dead. And now we have a trailer that has some usefulness. Yeah, it's got a little toolbox type thing up there. This one's mesh, I guess, for storage. I don't know.
There's already a hole drilled here for the wire.
Awesome. So yeah, we'll have to play with it, but this is a beefy trailer that I got for $400, which is amazing. But now we're going to see the catastrophe of trying to get his Jeep up here. I did put the leg down. When this sits flat, that leg will contact the ground, so I'm not going to be putting the weight of the vehicle on my suspension. It had a little bit of a problem pulling it empty on my driveway, so I don't want to do that. How bad do we think this is going to go?
How bad do we think it can go?
Go very slow. Very slow.
Just the idle chug.
Pretty much, because when it starts teetering, we want to immediately stop.
Yeah. Should I be this scared?
I think it's a healthy degree of fear. Yep, that's your hitch. You found the hack for free fuel. To show you what I'm trying to combat, his receiver. Yeah, it's so close. Now, turn a little left. Yep. Okay. You buckle it in.
Hey, can I call you back in about 5 minutes? We're working on loading my car onto a trailer. I can't tell you what's in the fridge. I'm scared. You ready?
Are you ready?
No.
If your airbags go off, I'm gonna cry.
feels like it wants to go.
It feels like it, yeah, but I think you got next couple inches probably. Careful. Here, just inch it up. There you go. That was pretty cool. So I'm kind of worried this is going to get us to the awkward height. We have to crouch and bend over. But
I mean, I'm squatting.
Do we think it's better than on the ground?
I mean, I'm still on it.
Where's your oil pan at?
That's what I'm looking at right now. I believe it's...
It's been a while since I've done an oil change on yours.
Well, can you lock it? Is the trailer locked in place?
No.
Put the pin in it.
Good idea. Yeah, that's a pretty solid angle now that the pin's in, we're safe. Other than the pain in the butt to get up here, this might be the new way to, like, inspect the undercarriage.
Oh, 100%.
Exhaust work and everything, I mean.
It might not work as well for you. You're a little bit taller.
Just kind of looking at the ability to sit inside of each of these. This one, you probably could if you had a little swivel seat that was low. This one, yes. This has got the mesh in it, which I'm still kind of confused on, to be honest. And then...
It might have just been for strap storage.
Yeah, but you figure they'd want a top on it. I don't know. Yeah. Honestly, I think pull the mesh out.
I do too, so then it's more access.
Yeah, and maybe make like... Maybe the rearmost one here. Make this another toolbox like up there.
Yeah.
How you doing under there, bud?
Got any tools, man?
I got a couple to beat you with. Try that. Feels like we're doing little drug deals over here.
Uh-huh. If I drop my nut, is it going... Yeah, it's going the whole way down in there.
Yep, it is.
I can't see what I'm doing in the slightest. He's on to me, viewers. Sleeves are coming up. You did close the cap on your end, right?
Yeah. The problem is, one of these up... Jeez. Oh, that's making a mess. That means that it has a vent cap on your side. I guess it's clogged. I'll have to clean that.
I'm just gonna set that in the mess.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm not seeing a vent cap on my side.
Well, it's... I think it's on your side. Yeah, there's like a little circle on the corners. Yeah, one of those two is a vent. I just don't know which one it is.
This one feels like it's solid bottom. This one feels like it's a hollow bottom.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna wipe the grease on some of this rust.
Yeah, might as well. Howdy there.
I mean, we make a mess every time.
That's true.
It's almost done.
I have two simultaneous levels of thought on this trailer. One is, it was so cheap, why not keep it? And the other side is, it was so cheap, fix it up and there's a really good profit margin on this.
You're not wrong on either front.
Yeah, I'm leaning toward keeping it. Just because for dozers, for skid steers, for stuff like that, put a big winch up here and it'd be useful. You can tell he was raised in...
I just shoulder checked it.
What I was saying was you can tell that he was raised in West Virginia as he goes deep into the mines of this vehicle.
We struck black gold.
I was going to say Schmeagol, but... Also, something interesting. This jack turns super easy still, even with the car there. It's rated for 48,000 pounds. You know you're going the wrong way. Now you're actually going the wrong way. So the oil filter is right up there. Typically we get it from the top end, but since we're doing it on the trailer, I'll just reach up in here and get it like so. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Howdy there.
Howdy, partner.
So this is the game called Get the Filter On. And I already failed. So now Owen's gonna try. And in comes the second hand. Oh, it looks like you might have gotten it.
Oh, I do.
We got the plug in, we got the new filter in, time to fill it. That's not fair that yours is like So wide and easy to put it in. 5 is exactly what it takes.
Yeah, I believe so.
And we have this nifty like work table when we do this. I kind of like this.
I do too. I'm glad you bought the trailer.
Now we're gonna get this stuff cleaned up real quick and jump back with you guys when we're gonna do the big bang of dropping the trailer. And in today's act at the circus, we're gonna watch Owen get back in his Jeep. That was less painful than I expected.
Ready, folks?
How are you feeling coming up to your big day? Okay, just back up very slowly. There's a wood block on this, so when it hits the ground, it's not going to be metal on the driveway, just wood.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready. Okay, hold on. There you go. Okay, now hold up, I have to put the ramps back on. Okay, slowly. You're good. You're clearing. Yep, you're cleared.
Oh, coming down so hard.
Because you don't have to worry about rocketing off the end of the ramp. Just to show how easy this trailer is to move, right now, I can move it with one hand. The trailer is extremely well balanced. And if you take both of the oak boards out of this, it falls back, which tells you that the entire amount of pressure I have to put to tilt this trailer either way is less than what these two ramps weigh, which that's very impressive for a, you know, at least 4,500, I'm guessing 5,000 pound trailer. It's getting kind of dark on us, but got the trailer pushed back, and now it just got really dark because the light died. And we have Owen's Jeep over there just for the time being out of the way, but we're fully done.
Yeah, there's the light.
For now. So that'll do it for us. Thanks for watching, and join us next time.
Have a great one, folks.